Hey guys, we're back. Let's do something. Let's check the fridge. Hey guys, I'm going right now. Do something. Gonna place you down. Gonna place you down into the fridge. Tell me, guys, if you see anything in the fridge. I'm closing the door. Gonna see you guys later.